Back in 2015, the Welsh European Funding Office approached us, and because they knew that we'd had a great background of working with BAME and migrant communities in the past, they wondered if we'd like to apply for some funding with them to work with those communities and support them into education, training and employment. We worked with WEFO then to design a project, and we launched across Wales in 2016. Projects that help people into education, training and employment are really important because there's just an awful lot of information out of there that it's very hard to access. If you come into the country from overseas, no one stops you when you come in through Dover and goes, by the way, what you want to do is, you want to Google this and you want to try this company's website and that company's website. If you're lucky, you've got people you can ask. But if you're not lucky, then you don't know who to go to find this stuff out. Anisha came over to the UK from India. She's very, very qualified. She's got multiple degrees. She's got this amazing CV. She wasn't quite sure what she wanted to be doing, what would be the best fit for her and her family.
When I came to UK, I was started trying to get into my career, and I was a bit hesitated and I was in low confidence. I've tried few of things. I didn't get succeeded in any of them, and I got low in confidence and I've doubt on my English skills, where I can go through everything over here or not. I have learned so much things from this change room. It gives you more confidence and you can grow in your career and you can go along it.
What's always happened in the past is when one round of EU funding has ended, you know that there's going to be another round straight away because we're part of the EU. What we've got at the moment is the EU funding is ending, but we don't know when the SPF funding, which is what Westminster is launching to replace EU funding in Wales, when that's coming out or really what it's going to look like. So you can't rely on it being there. So you've got a gap between what we've got now and then in the future there'll be some money. But in the meantime, everything's just, if you just imagine everything falling off a cliff, all the teams that have been built up, all the knowledge that's been built up, all those people have got to break away from each other. Huge amounts of networks are being lost, and it will take years to build them all up again because everyone will be in completely different jobs.